Now in this video we are talking about another type of sorting, that is insertion sort. Insertion sort is a simple sorting algorithm that works the way we sort playing cards in our hands. That is, we start from the beginning, we will check the next, and accordingly we can arrange the elements by placing the numbers from maybe beginning, maybe at the second position, maybe at the third position, maybe at wherever it is required. See the algorithm. Step number 1, compare each pair of adjacent element in the list. So you have to check from the first element, you have to see the second element, and accordingly you have to check the each pair of elements. Step number 2, select element into the sorted list until it occupies the correct position. Step number 3, swap two elements if necessary. And step number 4, repeat this process for all the elements until the entire array is sorted. So basically we are starting from the first element. You have to see that the first element will be by default sorted. You have to select the second element and you have to compare with the first element. So that means if you are selecting any new element, that will be inserted anywhere, whether it is in the beginning from the previous element, maybe after that particular element, either maybe in between two elements. So that's why this is called as insertion sort. Why? Because we are inserting the element as per the requirement. Now you can see here the number of elements are 4, that is 5, 1, 4 and 2. So here we will see that 5 will be a sorted element if you take it as a single element, and then this 1 will be taken, then this 4 will be taken, and this 2 will be taken. If you take the second element, so by default that 5 is greater, so 1 will be placed before 5. So in that case that 1 and 5 will be sorted. In the third step we'll take the 4, that means the third element, that is 4. Now in the sorted list that 1 and 5 are there, so you have to compare this 4 with these two elements, that is 1 and 4. So again you can see that 4 will be greater than 1 and that 4 will be smaller than 5. So that will be placed in between 1 and 5. So sorted list will be 1, 4 and 5. Then finally we'll take the last number, that is 2, and it will be compared with all the three elements. So that was the sorted numbers, that is 1, 4 and 5. So when 2 will be compared, this 2 is greater than 1 and this 2 is smaller than 4. So that means this 2 will be placed after 1 and before 4. So sorted list will be that 1, 2, 4 and 5. So now we can see the procedure for this. As I have said that you have to take the number which is sorted here. So 5 is already sorted. Now in the next step you have to take the next element and that will be compared with the previous number. So if it is smaller, then it will be placed before the first element, and if it is greater, then it will be placed after the first element. So now you can see here that 1 is placed before 5, right? So now you can see here that 1 is at the first position and 5 at the second position. Now you have to compare this 4. We are taking that next element. So how this element will be compared? So this will be compared with 1 and 5 both. So since this 4 is greater than 1 and 4 is smaller than 5, so it will be placed in between 1 and 5 here. So in the next step you can see here that the elements are 1, 4 and 5. In the next step what we'll do, we will take the next element. So the next element is 2. So again you have to compare this 2. So 2 will be compared with all the three elements, that 1, 4 and 5. Since that 2 is greater than 1 and 2 is smaller than 4, so it will be placed in between 1 and 4 here. So you can see we are storing here, right? So by default the greatest number will be placed at the last position, that is 5 here. Since that 2 is greater than 1 and 2 is smaller than 4, so that 4 will be placed at the third position, right? And then 2 will be placed after 1, so that 2 will be placed in between 1 and 4 here. You can see the list here that 1, 2, 4 and 5. So this is the final sorted list. This is called as selection sort. So you can see one more example for this. For insertion sort here, that 5, 1, 8, 3, 9 and 2, these are the elements here. As I have said, if you're taking one number, that by default it will be sorted, so you have to choose the next element. So this element will be compared with this number, whether if it is smaller, either the greater. If it is smaller, then this number will be placed after this, otherwise it will be placed before this number. Since 1 is smaller than this first element, then 1 will be placed before 5. So in the next step you can see that 1 and 5, these two numbers are sorted here. Now in the next step we'll compare this 8, and 8 will be compared with that both the numbers 1 and 5 here. So again, if you want to place this 8, it will be placed after 5. Why? Because it is greater than both the numbers. So in the next step you can see here that 1, 5 and 8, all the three numbers are sorted. Now we will take the next number, next element 3, and that will be compared with all the three numbers. So here 3 is greater than 1 and 3 is smaller than 5 here. So you have to compare with all the three numbers. So here 1 after it will be placed after 1, but it will be placed before 5. So the next element list will be like 1, 3, 5, 8. Now we'll choose the next element. That next element is 9, and it will be compared with all the 4 elements from the previous list, which are sorted here. So 9 is will be compared with all the 4 elements, but 9 is greater than this 8, that is the biggest element from the list. So that will be placed at the end of the element. That means after 4th element it will be placed. You can see that the sorted list will be 1, 3, 5, 9, 8 and 9. The last element is 2, that will be compared with all the remaining elements from the list which are already sorted here. So here you can compare with this beginning element, that is 1. So 2 is greater than 1, but 2 is smaller than 3. So this 2 will be placed in between 1 and 3. So final list will be that 1, 2, 3, 5, 8 and 9. So ultimate the goal of for this insertion sort is to place the number. Either you can say insert the element at the proper position. That's why it is called as insertion sort. Thank you.